Hello, LA Care Scholars. LA Care launched the 5-year, $155 million Elevating the Safety Net initiative in 2018 with a goal of addressing a projected shortfall of nearly 9,000 primary care physicians in California by 2030, and you are an important part of the solution. When we teamed up with the Charles R. Drew University of Medicine and Science and the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA, we let them be in charge of selecting the students who would receive LA Care scholarships. Our only ask was that they chose students who have expressed an interest in working in under-resourced communities. In reading your bios, it's clear they chose wisely. We at LA Care are proud to be part of your journey.
It's my pleasure to offer you my hearty congratulations as our new LA Care Scholars. At the David Geffen School of Medicine, we're deeply committed to empowering our students to become outstanding physicians and leaders. So with deep gratitude to LA Care and a hearty welcome to the new scholars, we look forward to being part of this first chapter in your journey to become outstanding physicians and leaders for the care of the most vulnerable. Thank you.
On behalf of our trustees, our administration, our faculty, alumni, and students, I extend our warmest congratulations, LA Care Scholars. We are extremely grateful to the LA Care Health Plan and its board of directors for once again including CDU and our students in this tremendous program that is helping to bring more physicians into under-resourced communities. Congratulations to our most worthy recipients, and thanks again to LA Care for helping us create the healthcare workforce of the future.
Congratulations, LA Care Scholars. As a Drew UCLA School of Medicine and UCLA School of Public Health graduate, this initiative holds a very special place in my heart. Your years of hard work and perseverance have led you to this moment, and we could not be prouder to be part of your journey. You embark on your medical careers during this unprecedented time. Now more than ever, we need medical professionals who wake up each morning dedicated to their patients. It is truly my pleasure to introduce the 8 scholars from both the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA and the Charles R. Drew University of Medicine and Science. These scholars are the future of healthcare in Los Angeles County.
Our first LA Care Scholar is Efren Aguilar. He was born at LAC USC Hospital and raised in Mid-City, Los Angeles. Efren decided to pursue a career in medicine to ensure communities like his received quality care that would raise their quality of life. He received a degree in molecular cell biology and physiology from Cal State Long Beach. Since graduating in 2016, Efren has worked on a variety of research projects at UCLA and UC San Francisco Medical Center, and he is currently a field coordinator at UCLA working on a drug use intervention trial. He hopes to be a family physician and health services researcher in under-resourced communities. Efren will attend the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA.
Our next LA Care Scholar is Marilyn Bravo. Marilyn was born in Mexico and, at the age of 3, immigrated with her family to Los Angeles. Marilyn says she knows firsthand the difficulties in navigating healthcare barriers such as language and poverty, and that's why she is pursuing a career in medicine. Marilyn received a degree in neuroscience with honors from Brown University. Concurrently, she completed an EMT course, participated in neuroscience research, and volunteered as an advocate helping families secure free social services and health care. After graduating in 2018, Marilyn received a fellowship at the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism. She hopes to use her career in medicine to continue to advocate for under-resourced populations. Marilyn will attend Charles R. Drew University of Medicine and Science.
Our next LA Care Scholar is Jermaine Ehizele Robertson. Ehizele was born and raised in San Bernardino County. His parents immigrated from Nigeria, and he vividly remembers experiencing poverty as well as difficulty accessing healthcare and social services. Ehizele knows the importance of extending quality healthcare to under-resourced communities. He received his bachelor's degree in English from UC Berkeley and his master's degree in biotechnology from Johns Hopkins. Since graduating in 2017, he has worked with youth youth as an after-school program coordinator, and more recently has been working as a site manager for a COVID-19 vaccination clinic. He says he will commit his medical career to uplifting the communities he serves. Ehizele will attend the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA.
Next is Larissa Nicolas. Larissa was raised in Inglewood by parents who immigrated from Mexico in search of a better life. Larissa's father passed away her senior year of high school, an event that fueled her initial desire to pursue a career in medicine. Larissa received a degree in biology from UCLA in 2019, then participated in the post-baccalaureate program at Charles R. Drew University. She has tutored at-risk students and volunteered helping people experiencing homelessness. She worked as a patient access representative at MLK Hospital, using her language and cultural competency to assist patients during the admission process. She's currently in the AmeriCorps Health Fellows Program. She wants to continue to work alongside undocumented and other underserved communities. Larissa will attend Charles R. Drew University of Medicine and Science.
Our next LA Care scholar is Saitiel Sandoval Gonzalez. Saitiel was born and raised in Riverside. He says he wants to be a leader and advocate in communities that resemble those where he grew up. He received a degree in molecular, cell, and developmental biology from UCLA. Saitiel was the co-programming director for the Latino Student Health Project at UCLA, organizing nutrition workshops and recruiting for health fairs in LA and Mexico. He has volunteered at the Venice Family Clinic, serving as a Spanish interpreter, a clinical assistant, and medical scribe. Most recently, he has been a child advocate for unaccompanied minors seeking asylum in the U.S. He wants to practice medicine in underserved communities. Saitiel will attend the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA.
The next LA Care scholar is Matthew Carter. Matthew was born and raised in the Metro Detroit area of Michigan. He says he was inspired to pursue medicine after witnessing the care of family members with chronic health conditions. Matthew received a BS in biology from Stanford University in 2019. While living in the Bay Area during and after college, Matthew volunteered with several community organizations mentoring underserved youth. After graduating, Matthew joined a research lab at UCSF focused on curing genetic diseases using genome editing and induced pluripotent stem cells. He wants to work in underserved communities in California where he can address the same healthcare challenges that his own family members faced. Matthew will attend Charles R. Drew University of Medicine and Science.
Next is Geena Conde. Geena is an LA native from Boyle Heights. Her family's limited resources often led them to seek medical care in Mexico, which led to her passion for helping others, especially those experiencing housing insecurity. Geena received a degree in psychobiology from UCLA. While at UCLA, Geena volunteered with the Mobile Clinic Project and School on Wheels, serving people experiencing homelessness. She is currently doing similar volunteer work with UCLA's Companion Care in LA. In 2016, Geena received the LA Volunteer of the Year Award in Health Services from LAC USC Medical Center. She wants to help break down barriers to health care for vulnerable populations. Geena will attend the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA.
Our final 2021 LA Care scholar is Alexis Aleman. Alexis was born and raised in Los Angeles. His parents immigrated from Mexico, and they instilled the importance of education in him and his siblings. Alexis received a degree in biology from Cal State Northridge. Over the past 2 years, Alexis has been a research coordinator in the ER department at Olive View UCLA Medical Center, interviewing patients in Spanish for several research projects, including one on how immigration status impacted their decision to delay care or come to the ER. He says life experiences have taught him the importance of providing compassionate care, and he wants to serve families like his own. Alexis will attend the Charles R. Drew University of Medicine and Science.